Package quantity, 1. Product type, valve. Country of origin, China. Motorcraft HVAC heater blend door actuator located on AC recirculating air duct housing Assy. Are you shivering behind the wheel in the winter or sweating in traffic in the summer? Then your AC and heating systems require repair, and Motorcraft has premium replacement parts for your vehicle. Designed specifically for your Ford Mercury or Lincoln, the products feature OEM quality and fit and install with no modifications. Features: direct OEM replacement for proper fit recommended by Ford Motor Company, made of quality materials, the finest quality at a great price. Include engineering enhancements, deliver excellent combination of quality, fit and durability. Without the heating and air conditioning systems in today's vehicles, we would all be miserable driving to our destinations. We take for granted the heat that keeps us warm in the winter months and the cool air that refreshes us in the summertime. However, the AC and heating systems consist of numerous parts that must be in good repair so that the whole system functions properly. So no matter whether your AC compressor fails in the summer or your heater core is clogged in the winter, you'll be uncomfortable. Motorcraft offers you a wide range of AC and heating components for Ford Mercury and Lincoln vehicles, from AC condensers and sensors to HVAC heater cores and AC accumulators. Built to strict Ford Motor Company specifications, these products deliver OEM quality and fit. There is no need to shiver behind the wheel in the winter or sweat in the summer when you can get quality AC and heating replacement parts from Motorcraft. Top reviews from the United States. Works as described. This was an OEM Motorcraft part. The part cost $35 and change. The dealer quoted $500 at a minimum for the part and labor. It has been working fine ever since I replaced it about 2 years ago. Make sure you isolate the correct actuator because there are 2 of them that sit very close to each other. Would purchase again and refer to a friend.